Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Dominant strategies in game theory can be tricky, but we will solve this barbecue battle quickly by checking every payoff for both Nick and Frank. To find Nick's dominant strategy, we compare his payoffs for advertising versus not advertising. If Frank advertises, Nick earns more by advertising. If Frank stays quiet, Nick still earns more advertising. Since advertising is always Nick's best move regardless of Frank's choice, it is his dominant strategy. Now we look at Frank's payoffs. If Nick advertises, Frank earns more by not advertising. If Nick does not advertise, Frank still earns more by not advertising. Therefore, Frank's dominant strategy is to not advertise, making option B correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given information and check your steps.